So got another truck done. Take a look. Get the tires nice and clean, shining. Get the tires very nice and clean. Look inside. Looks like a brand new truck. Very nice and clean in the inside. Smelling really good. It still smells good, but they decided not to use air freshener, but it still smells really, really good. From the detergent. There we go. Very nice and clean, down to the details. Every little detail, every little cup. Very nice and clean. Very nice and clean. So we still have that Tesla Plaid to do over there. Very nice. Get the tires shining.